Here I am putting together this beautiful DIY leather wallet kit inspired by the classic Kelly long wallet style. It comes with high quality cow split leather. It is super soft, durable, and already pre-cut and pre-punched, so you don't need any special tools or experience. This kit has everything you need, so the threads, needles, everything is already included, and Popsewing can even provide you with a full video tutorial. So whether you are a beginner or just love crafts, this is made for you. Personally, I am not that crafty, so I was really curious to see what this kit looks like and if it was going to be difficult. But thanks to the instructions, it was a very easy process and I actually really enjoyed it. I had my favorite drinks, I watched my favorite shows all while doing this. I really enjoyed it and there was truly something therapeutic about this slow process because it took a few good hours. And here is the finished piece. A one-of-a-kind wallet because it's made by me. It is the perfect thoughtful gift or even a special treat for yourself. So if you've been looking for a fun, relaxing project or a meaningful gift idea, I think this kit is absolutely perfect. I would highly recommend.